This is a 2-scoop order for Husna. This is from her best friend Lexy, wishing you the happiest birthday. She likes Hello Kitty and Cinnamoroll, and she likes stationery items. Her favorite color is pink. One canvas bag. One file folder, plus one more. Three notebooks. Two pens. Plus three more. One eraser. I think she can use this correction tape. One washi tape. Let's make it two. One mini notebook. Plus two more. One keychain. One scenery sticker. Plus one more. Two beaded charms. These are so cute. Two highlighters. One clear pouch. Four plush charms. I exchanged two of them for these 4 sticky notes. I think she could use these. One plush pencil bag. One mirror. This has a stand for your desk. One bookmark. Plus one more. Four stickers. I exchanged 2 of them for these memo pads. And this style has 4 in 1. One eye mask. One plush keychain. One coin purse. One hair clip. Plus one more. Two Toobie squishies. Plus one more. Look at the teddy bear charm on this, so cute. One bricks. One card holder. 2 mini charms, plus 2 more, 2 pin badges, 1 acrylic clip. Let's make it 4. Okay, Husna, that's everything. I really hope you love this birthday gift from Lexy. Thank you so much.